Morning ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Canopies 4x4. We've got a quick little video for you guys today going through how to get a tubliner fitted. It's got tailgate central locking. How to get a tubliner fitted on this current generation Amarok. That's all there is to it. Let's get into it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully you enjoyed that fitment process. It's getting late in the end of the year. My brain is leaving me. My brain's already on holiday mode. Anyway, very, very straightforward. You can see it's got the cutouts for the interior lights. You've got the OEM remounting for the tie down points, the cutouts for the center hook as well, of course. You've got the tailgate piece fitted as well. Very, very straightforward. We've got these available for basically all the dual cab utes on the market today. Go to ozcanopies.com.au to see if we've got a tubliner for your vehicle. Other than that, like, subscribe, notification bell. We'll see you guys on the next one.